Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make my healthy and easy overnight oatmeal. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So this is all we need. We need oats, syrup. If you don't have syrup, you can use honey, peanut butter, organic one, chia seed, organic, of course the banana that we're gonna cut later, and the small jar. And I forgot the water. Some people used milk, but I prefer to use the water because that's what I like. So we're gonna start putting in the jar. Start the oatmeal. We're gonna do layer by layer. And water. The same layer of the oatmeal, just a little bit more. Okay, and then we're gonna cut the banana just a little, put a little bit, then layer it, arrange it, and then the syrup, just make it sweet a little bit, and then my favorite one, the peanut butter, is really good. And then the chia seed, I just put some a little bit on the top. Layer it. Then we're gonna do again another layer of oat. More. I just do half of the jar. It's already make me full. So put some water in the same way in the first one. The banana. Just mix it a little bit. Chia seed. The syrup, and then the favorite one is the peanut butter. I really love this peanut butter. So that's it guys, so it's done and it's just ready for overnight for tomorrow to my work. And yeah, it's really good. You must try this. You can put also a mango, any kind of fruit, but I like banana, so that's it. You must try this guys. Easy and healthy breakfast. So I'm in my work lunchtime, so this is it here. And we're gonna mix it together. Just mix it, mix everything, and you're gonna look like this. And then time to eat guys.